Welcome back, everyone, to another episode of Trade by Numbers. I hope you had a fantastic weekend, and I hope you're ready for another great trading week. Now, if you're new to the channel, my name's Josiah, and I trade stocks and cryptocurrencies for a living. And if you hate making money, this is not the channel for you. If you like making money, if you like learning about stocks, crypto, and investing, and you want to learn how to get out of the rat race, how to become financially free, the only way you can do that is through investing, and that's what I'm here to help you learn. So if you like the sounds of that, hit the subscribe button for me, and do me a favor, hit that thumbs up. Helps me get these videos out to more people. So let's get into the market, see what we're dealing with this morning. We've got the S&P down about 0.5% in the pre-market. Now, we had a great week last week overall. I was very happy with, after we had that huge run up, how the market held up. But now we need to see, we got a new week, Monday morning, anything can happen. We need to get an idea of if the market's going to hold up kicking this week off, or if we're going to go ahead and get that pullback. Now, we're definitely looking like a little bit of a pullback in the pre-market, so we definitely need to keep our eye on that. However, crypto's looking pretty good at the moment. If crypto does well, I believe the market will go ahead and do well also. So right now we've got crypto doing pretty good. And going through my watch list, most everything's a little in the red. Got some green mixed in there. So definitely going to be looking for stocks that just look like they're getting beat down today, and really getting ourselves set up for that. Now, one position I have already taken this morning, we traded this once last week. That was WISA. Crashed down, picked up a position at just under 10 cents, traded it up around 12 cents. I think 11.80 is where we got out, and made ourselves a 20% on that trade. Now, this morning I was looking at it. I said if it dropped under 10.70, that I thought that was a good position, because we've dropped down to 10, we've dropped down to about 10.70, we've dropped down to about 10.5 cents. So I was like, I'll go ahead and pick up my first position at 10.70. I put in a buy order. Sure enough, that hit. I was able to get that. It's run up a little bit now. However, we could get that drop back at open. So you might want to take and look at a position maybe a little under 11 cents and see if we can get a run up around 12 cents today, which would be a very nice ROI. So I'm definitely going to be keeping my eye on that stock. And of course, we're going to be watching our usuals, Coinbase, especially if crypto starts looking like it's running today, but we got the market pulling back. Could get a great buying opportunity to get into some crypto, because we could see the market get a little bit of a pullback and then green up through the day. Now, I've got no crystal ball, but that is one of the things I'm about halfway expecting to see happen today. Maybe see a pullback and then see the market sort of rally. Now, time will tell us if that happens. But let's keep an eye on the DXY, the dollar. That's going to give us a lot of indication. If we see the market pulling back, but we see the dollar staying in the red, not running up, that's going to give us an indication that we're going to have the market rally on throughout the day. Remember, when the dollar loses strength, the market does well. If we've got the dollar gaining a lot of strength in the day, the market's going to do poorly. So always make sure you've got the DXY on your watch list. That's going to give you a real good gauge of where the market's moving. So always make sure you keep an eye on that. And then we've got IMPP. It's actually up a little bit in the pre-market. However, if we was to get a dip down, tested about 34 cents, I'd definitely be looking at picking up some IMPP, running that up. I still think that there's a lot of potential. We're going into the Christmas holiday season. I expect gas prices are going to continue to rally. So any of your energy stocks, gas stocks, is going to do well. I like IMPP. It's cheap. A lot of people like trading it. There's a lot of following there. And when it moves, you've got kind of that short squeeze potential there, so you get a lot more bang for your buck. And that's one reason I like trading IMPP. It's just fun, great ROIs on it when we hit it, and it's fairly predictable. At least it has been for us for the most part. So that's what I'm going to be keeping my eye on today. Definitely going to be watching those. Make sure and join me this afternoon. We'll see how everything panned out. If you're following along with me, hit a comment down below. Let me know what your biggest gainer is. Let me know what stock has just been tearing it up for you, or what you're expecting this week. So that's what I got for you. See you this afternoon. Be blessed. And remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.